Congratulations! You've just created a powerful organic fertilizer for your plants. Remember, a healthy garden starts with healthy soil. Subscribe for more gardening tips and happy growing. Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we'll show you how to make your own organic fertilizer to keep your plants thriving. It's easy, cost-effective, and better for the environment. Let's dive in. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. First, gather organic materials. You'll need kitchen scraps like fruit peels, vegetable scraps, and coffee grounds. Collecting these items will kickstart the nutrient-rich blend for your plants. Step 2. Assemble your compost bin. Next, set up a compost bin or container. Layer the kitchen scraps with brown materials like dried leaves or shredded newspaper. This balance provides the ideal environment for beneficial microorganisms to break down the organic matter. Step 3. Turn and wait. Regularly turn the compost to aerate it and speed up decomposition. This ensures an even breakdown of materials. Be patient, it may take several weeks for your compost to transform into nutrient-rich fertilizer. Step 4. Apply to your plants. Once your compost is ready, mix it into the soil around your plants. This will boost soil fertility and provide your plants with essential nutrients. Your organic fertilizer is now ready to nurture your garden naturally. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've just created a powerful organic fertilizer for your plants. Remember, a healthy garden starts with healthy soil. Subscribe for more gardening tips and happy growing.